Hi, welcome to the part 1 of this 3-part tutorial on how to get started with EVOCOIN. This tutorial will take you how to install, set up, and connect your crypto wallet to the website. The crypto wallet that we are supporting here is MetaMask. Before we start, you need to make sure you're using the right browser or the right device. At this time, transacting on the website is only possible using a laptop and desktop, and on one of these 4 browsers: Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, and Brave. Remember that Safari is not supported. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will be using Google Chrome and use a MetaMask extension. If you're using any other browser, you should be able to apply the same procedure to your browser's extension. Alright, with that important message out of the way, let's move to the tutorial. Remember that you can always go back to the getting started instructions on the website. Just make sure that you can click on the getting started links either here or here. Okay, first step to download the MetaMask extension is to go to the MetaMask website. So let's go there. Click on the download button. We're going to be installing MetaMask for Chrome. So let's click on install MetaMask for Chrome. The MetaMask wallet is an extension that's going to be there on your browser. So we're going to be adding this extension to Chrome. Click on add extension. And as you can see, the MetaMask has already been added inside. So now your MetaMask is installed. For those of you who are unfamiliar with extensions, the way to locate your MetaMask extension is the following. Go to your right hand side and you see an icon for your extension here. If you click on that, you will see all the extensions that are installed on your browser. At this point, as you can see, the MetaMask extension is not visible. What I would do is go and pin this over here so you can have the MetaMask visible. And with that, you have installed MetaMask. Congratulations. Now let's go ahead and set up your account. You can proceed by either clicking on the Get Started button here or just going to the MetaMask extension and clicking it, which is going to lead you to the same page. So let's just close that and let's say Get Started. Now you will be given 2 choices. If this is your first time using MetaMask, you will need to go to the second choice, which is setting up. If you already have a MetaMask wallet set up in the past and you already have a secret recovery phrase, then you can import your wallet on the left side. I will be setting up my wallet on using my existing wallet, so I will be moving on the left hand side. But for those who are setting up for the first time, please go ahead and refer to the instructions in the getting started. It's actually quite simple. Just show you. Yep, you will essentially be needing to create your password, and after that you will be told your own 12-word seed phrase. Now this is something that will be provided to you. You cannot change it, and it's actually mapped to your private key. So you need to keep this phrase very carefully. If you lose it or your private key, you will lose access to your wallet and to all the cryptocurrencies inside. So be careful with this step.